Welcome student in your first English class of class 6. We will start with your textbook and the first chapter is a beautiful poem. The name of the poem is Don't Give Up, written by Phoebe Carey. First I'll read the lines, then meanwhile I'll explain you the lines also. So lesson 1.1, the first chapter is a poem, Don't Give Up. I read the lines. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All that's great and good is done just by patient trying. Here, the poet encourages us not to give up. Not to give up means not to lose heart and stop trying. She says that if we have tried to achieve something but not succeeded, we should not stop to cry. All great and good things have done just by keeping on trying patiently. Okay, here in the first paragraph, poet wants us to try and try until and unless we succeed. In the now the second paragraph, though young birds in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. In the second paragraph, the poet gives us an example of young birds. The birds fall when they are learning to fly, but their wings grow stronger and stronger, and the next time they try, they can keep up a little longer than before. Okay, now comes the third paragraph. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Here in the third paragraph, poet gives the example of a oak tree. Oak is a name of a tree. Sturdy means strong, taller. Okay, a strong thing is called sturdy. So oak tree is sturdy. It's strong. And here the poet gives the example by saying that the strong oak has been bent by many storms, winds, but has risen again and grown taller, stronger, and prouder. Okay, and now the last paragraph. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that tries you. In the last paragraph, the poet gives us a kind of a warning. The poet warns us that no one will value us if we win when we do something that is easy. The test that shows our strength is the one where we don't give up but gain victory after defeat. Here the poet gives us a warning that we should try something very which shows our strength. We should not give up easily. Okay, here we can say a proverb also. I use a proverb for this poem. The proverb is try and try until and unless you succeed. This is the poem all about. Okay, now the homework is that you have to write this poem 5 times in your notebook, and I'll give you some of the words whose meaning you have to write in the notebook. Some of the meaning is already given in your textbook that you have to write along with the words I am giving you. Okay, so in the first paragraph, fourth line, the word is patient. Okay, the second paragraph, there is no such word. In the third paragraph, the second line, underline the word blast. Okay, in the last paragraph, third line, first word gaining. So all these words you have to write in your notebook with the meanings and 5 times the full poem in your notebook. Okay, thank you.